Yo, what's going on? So, I've recorded this once before, and essentially, we made a rookie mistake, or done the usual thing that any other human being may have done. Unboxed the Elgato Facecam, plugged it into the Mac, and was like, yeah, let's get cracking. We didn't even tech, fam. So, now, we've downloaded the Elgato Facecam software from the Elgato website. We've recognized quite strongly something was going on, because when I was using Photo Booth or OBS to record video, the recording was like, the preview was hella jumpy, like the frames were lagging and all sorts. So the Facecam actually required quite a hefty firmware update, which seems to resolve every problem. Now, in downloading the Elgato Facecam software, we was able to actually play around with some of the settings that I'm going to show you now, from field of view through to ISO, shutter speed, resolution, FPS. It was mad. So yeah, man, fully didn't do it. It's due diligence. So the software we got here is called the CameraHub, and in here we're able to go ahead and see the settings for the camera, check the firmware version, change the LED light that's actually on the camera as well, which is good. So when the camera's on, you can change the field of view right here. So just for example sake, I can zoom this out, I can zoom it back in. Now this is obviously going to be, I don't even remember what I had it on before, but this is obviously going to be a digital zoom as opposed to optical zoom, but either way, still pretty cool. All the picture settings, exposure, it's got automatic exposure, automatic white balance, and automatic noise reduction. So there's quite a lot that we get to play around with here, and also get to save these settings to the camera. We can take a snapshot directly in this software as well. Change the preview format. You've got 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second. It goes from 540p all the way up to 1080. You've got the grid that we can actually put on, and then you can change it on mirrored as well, which is pretty cool, man. And then in the settings, you can actually check for a software update of the Elgato software itself. Super necessary. So let's start with that. Yeah, so big mood, makes a big difference. So happy with that. Yeah, let's come out of this.